From hardly noticeable features to Primos SP reveal, these are the 8 Brawl Star things you may have missed. I bet you didn't know that creator codes actually expire. Yep, when you enter a code to support your favorite content creator, it only lasts for 7 days, and after that, it just disappears. You're not supporting anyone anymore unless you re-enter the code. Not everyone on Brawl Stars is aware of this fact, so if you are supporting a content creator on Brawl Star, make sure to renew your support for every 7 days. If you ever poke around Brawl Star settings, you might have noticed that one option is missing: the Facebook Connect button. This feature used to help players find their friends' Facebook on Brawl Stars, making it easier to team up, but let's be honest, only boomers use Facebook, so it's not surprised Supercell decided to get rid of it. El Primo had a face reveal. In case you didn't know, in an official Brawl Star animation, there's a scene where Ortiz sneaks into El Primo's room just as he's taking off his mask, and when he finally removes it, his face is blurred. However, you can actually see that El Primo has a mustache under the mask, and I guess it's time for me to start growing one. Speaking of masks, a lot of players think that Grief is actually a robot because of that mask, but if you look closely, there is a hole in his gloves that shows his skin, and if you peek under his mask, there's also a neck there. So yeah, Grief is totally human. Did you catch this limited edition spike trick in the Angel vs Demons event? They introduced power-ups, and while they seem pretty standard, the Fire Pad power-up caused chaos, and this is because Spike's star power let him heal on his super. And it is applied to the Fire Pad too, so while he was moving, he was literally invincible, but a few hours later, Supercell stepped in and disabled Spike. Have you ever wondered how long it takes for Daryl to charge a super? Well, if you just stood there waiting for a super to fully charge it, it would take a whole 30 seconds, and after all of that time, all you get to do is roll. Look at Edgar. Yeah, I know, gross, but if you look closely, he's got this little dead emoji on his shirt, and the name of that icon is actually called Bad Randoms. Pretty ironic. Also, honorable mention, his main attack is called Fight Club, so maybe, just maybe, Edgar doesn't even exist and is part of Supercell's illusion. I bet you didn't know about the flushing upgrade indicator in the Brawler menu. If your Brawler has enough power points, you'll see the upgrade button light up, but if you've got enough gold too, it'll actually start to shine, showing you it's fully ready for an upgrade. And there you have it, the 8 Brawl Star things that you may have missed. If there anything that you want to add into the list, you can simply comment it down below on the comment box. If you can relate into this video, don't forget and don't be shy to give this video a like and share this video with your friends. If you want more videos like this, don't be shy to comment it down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.